Welcome students. Now we are going to see some important MCQs on chapter 3 of basic chemistry. Course code is 22102. Name of chapter is paint, varnish, insulator, polymer, adhesive and lubricant. Question number 1 is the volatile organic constituent of paint is it is thinner. The lubricant used in machine working at low temperature should possess low pour point. Then select the incorrect statement from the following. The incorrect statement is lubricant acts as a seal. Then on the basis of type of polymerization reaction, the polymers are classified as first, that is addition and condensation polymerization. Then select the polymer from the following option which do not soften on heating. Bakelite, it is do not soften on heating. It is thermosetting plastic. Select the lubricant which is used for watches. Hazelnut oil, it is used for watches. Then next is name the adhesive which is used in aircraft industry. In aircraft industry, epoxy resin, it is used as adhesive. Silicone resin, it is also used in aircraft industry. The organic thermal insulating material is silk, while other three are inorganic thermal insulators. In solution polymerization of an acrylic solution, molecular weight, that is W, it is inversely proportional to concentration, that is B is the correct answer. Degree of tackiness, rapidity of bonding, durability are the properties of adhesive. Then select the correct statement for liquid lubricant. For liquid lubricant, fire point is higher than flash point. Then next is the byproduct obtained during formation of bakelite is water. Then next is a non-volatile film forming constituent of paint is pigment. Axle greases, these are prepared by mixing petroleum oil or mineral oil with calcium soaps, that means lime. Then identify the compound which is used as initiator in addition polymerization. Benzoyl peroxide, it is used. The alternate name of Teflon is polytetrafluoroethylene. Covalent solid, it is used as lubricant. It is example of that covalent solid is graphite. One of the constituent of paint which is act as oxygen carrier catalyst is dryer. Viscosity of oil is measured by using Redwood viscometer. On the basis of structure, the polymers are classified as linear and branch polymers. While on the basis of thermal behavior, they are classified as thermosetting and thermoplastic. While on the basis of type of monomer, they are classified as homopolymer and copolymer. Select the thermosetting synthetic adhesive from the following. Phenol formaldehyde, it is the thermosetting, that is bakelite. Then lubrication is necessary to protect wear and tear caused due to frictional force. Which of the following is used as lubricant in rocket? Synthetic oil, it is used as lubricant in rocket. The function of lubricant in IC engine is to prevent leakage of gases between piston ring and cylinder wall. Galvanizing, it is the example of anodic protection. 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 coulombs. These questions are from chapter 2nd. Metallic luster shown by metals due to presence of mobile electrons. Then iron, it is used as catalyst for manufacturing of ammonia in Haber's process. A homogeneous viscous liquid prepared by dissolving resin in oil or thinner, it is called as varnish. Then electrochemical equivalent may be defined as dash, that is the weight of the substance deposited by passage of 1 coulomb of electricity. Pitting corrosion occurs due to pits or holes. When a product acts as a catalyst, then it is known as autocatalysis. The lattice side in a pure crystal cannot be occupied by electron. Polymerization of ethylene produces linear chain polymer. Then in air filter, glass wool, it is used as dust filter. Compressibility of solid, liquid and gases is related as, second is the correct option, compressibility of gas is greater than liquid and solid. Lubricant having high oiliness gets chemically adsorb on the surface of metal. The metal at the top of electrochemical series are most active metals which are act as anode. Which one of the following is an electrolyte? Sodium chloride is an electrolyte. Symbol of bonds are given. You have to match the pair. Hydrogen bond, it is denoted by dotted line, coordinate bond, arrow, then covalent bond dash, and ionic bond plus and minus sign or charge. The catalytic activity of catalyst can be reduced by inhibitor. Intermolecular forces in solid substances are strong. Again, match the pair. Example of plastic or polymer is given: bakelite, polythene, tetrafluoroethylene and polystyrene, and their application is given. Then next is, when the resistance to movement of moving parts is due to internal resistance between lubricant itself, then it is called as extreme pressure lubrication. Last option is correct option. What is the repeating unit of polythene? Repeating unit of polythene is, this is ethylene. B is the correct option. The process of obtaining pure metal from impure metal is known as electrorefining. Which statement is incorrect? Incorrect for catalyst. It take part in chemical reaction. It is incorrect statement. Which of the following is an amorphous solid? Glass is amorphous. Sodium metal possess simple cubic structure. Then next is, a team engineer observe interior part is more corroded than exterior, that is galvanizing. Then in acetylene, which type of bond is present? In acetylene, triple covalent bond is present. Calculate the equivalent weight of substance if its electrochemical equivalent is 0.00118. Then this is the equivalent weight, that is 107.8. Use relation between Faraday's first and second law, that is C is equal to 96,500 into ECE. EC is given already. When two dissimilar metals are in contact with each other in presence of conducting medium, the more active metal becomes anode and undergoes corrosion. The aluminium metal corrosion resistant because of formation of oxide film which is non-porous. Relation between chemical equivalent and electrochemical equivalent is C is equal to 96,500 into EC. Then due to passage of electric current, the electrolyte undergoes decomposition. Predict the type of catalysis involved in the following reaction. It is homogeneous. See the phase of catalyst and reactant. Both are in gaseous phase. Therefore, it is homogeneous type of catalysis. The metal atom in the crystal are in the form of positive ion. Repeatable entity of crystal structure is unit cell. The electrorefining of blister copper is, the electrolyte used is 15% copper sulfate and 5 to 10% of H2SO4. Thinners are added to the paint for what purpose? Options are: improve the drying quality, reduce consistency, provide waterproofness and reduce cost. Reduce the consistency. Then in paint, toluene it is used as thinner. Plasticizer are used in paint to provide elasticity. The bond involving the electrostatic force of attraction between hydrogen atom and electronegative element of two different molecules, it is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Select volatile oxide film from the given option. Molybdenum oxide, it is the volatile type of film. The metal which is commonly used as coating metal during electroplating of imitation jewelry is silver. Name the process involved in the following reaction for the preparation of H2SO4. This is the contact process. In a paint, the role of thinner is to increase viscosity. Among the natural thermal insulator, the lowest thermal conductivity is paper. Name the weak electrolyte from the following. Ammonium hydroxide, it is the weak electrolyte. The gain of electrons by an atom result in the formation of anion. In the figure given below, A represent what? A represent molten zinc at temperature 425 degrees Celsius. In this reaction, this is the overall reaction is redox reaction, that means oxidation and reduction. The number of atoms per unit in BCC structure is 2. A good thermal insulating material should possess low thermal conductivity. Resin is also known as polymer. Opacity and desired color to the paint, it is provided by pigments. Calculate electrochemical equivalent of aluminium if its atomic weight is 27, equivalent weight is 108, and the ECE is, that is electrochemical equivalent, is 108 upon 96,500. It is equal to 0.00139. Calculate weight of substance deposited when current of 2.5 ampere is passed for 2 minutes. Given ECE 0.000304. Formula is given, W is equal to ZCT, and the answer is 0.912. It is the weight of substance deposited. Special anti-fouling paint can be applied on the surface of ship to protect it from waterline corrosion. The physical state of substance with lot of empty intermolecular space is gas. Electrovalent compounds are soluble in water as they have high ionization power. Select the lubricant which is used for watches, clocks, scientific instrument, hazelnut oil. Name the adhesive which is used in aircraft industry. Epoxy resin and silicone resin both are used in aircraft industry. Then oleoresinous varnish, dry by solvent evaporation followed by oxidation. Glass wool and thermocol, they are used as insulator in refrigerator. A solution of resin in alcohol, it is example of spirit varnish. In spirit varnish, small amount of plasticizer are added to avoid brittleness, tendency to peel off, and tendency to crack the film. That is all. It is not a homopolymer. Bakelite, it is not a homopolymer. It is example of copolymer. A good lubricant should possess high oiliness. The temperature at which oil ceases to flow on a machinery, that is known as pour point. Select the thermosetting synthetic adhesive from the following: bakelite, or it is also known as phenol formaldehyde. Formaldehyde used as a monomer in the preparation of bakelite. Then choose from the following option which is not the constituent of paint. Alcohol, it is not constituent of paint, or the three are the constituent of paint. Then epoxy resin, it is obtained by which constituent or which monomer? Bisphenol A and epichlorohydrin. These are the monomers used in the formation of epoxy resin. This is all about chapter 3. Thank you.